Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationships, Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. Scorpios, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So, we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Scorpios. So, let's start the reading with this card here in your circumstances today. Scorpios, Ace of Swords. So, some kind of clarity is coming for you. Something is going to clear up. Maybe you will understand your circumstance in a better way, or you will know what will work or what is the right thing for you. So, if you had some doubts, maybe doubts on your person or certain doubts on someone close to you, all that doubts and confusions are changing, and you will see that there is something circumstances unfolding in such a way that you will know the truth, or you will know the truth about this person or something. So clarity is coming to you today, and maybe there are some changes happening in your situation. It may be a completion or some kind of an end. It may not mean a bad thing here, guys, Scorpios. This card means that something that has been really bad for you, something you wished that it changed. So that thing is changing for you. So whatever changes you expected is coming for you, and maybe the manner of these changes may be different, but it is going to realign your life. It is going to bring huge changes, transformation, and with truth and clarity, you will know the reason why these circumstances are going in this particular way in your life today. So, we will see more cards, Page of Swords and King of Wands in reverse. So, just like we said, you have some doubts on this person, or you had some doubts on this person, and you were quite worried, very much curious to find out what they are and what they are doing or what they are planning. So, you did not have any trust on this person, though you are together, though you both are in this relationship. You may have a level of understanding, but certain things are not clear between you both, and it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe you were spying on this person, or they were spying on you, trying to resolve things. And though you are a very sensible person and you are a very wise person, you know what you need to do, but sometimes you strictly follow your ideals and beliefs, and you're not ready to accept others' ideas and suggestions. Maybe there is someone suggesting you certain things, and you're not ready to listen to it, or you are not ready to see what they are trying to tell you. And in your circumstance, you just stick to the rules you have for yourself, and people may see you as a very rigid person, not flexible, not willing to change their ways no matter what. So that may go against this relationship, Scorpio. So this person may feel that you are not willing to listen to them, or you're not ready to listen to them. So we will see more cards for your situation. It's Strength in reverse and Six of Swords in reverse. So you, because of these changes happening in your life today, and because of the knowledge you have gained today, something you know about them, or it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So you know all their secrets, all their whatever they were planning to hide from you or hold back some information, whatever it is, and you know everything about this person. You have learnt everything. That may be the reason for troubles today in this relationship. Maybe too much knowledge about something is not good. Maybe they are not telling you certain things. They may have their own reasons for it, and they are not confident enough to tell you all their secrets, Scorpios. That may be true here. But this person is definitely thinking of you, and they love you deeply. And if you ask them, if you talk to them, and if you try to find out, this person is definitely telling you everything. So they will confess their secrets, or whatever they have, maybe some hurt, something of the past. So this person loves you, Scorpios. You should not doubt them. Maybe there are certain things they are not bold enough to tell you, because they feel that they may hurt you by telling you something of their past, or they may worry you, make you anxious. That is the reason they are not giving you that information. But this person is reliable, I feel, and they love you truly. And that is the reason, if you are going to ask this person the truth, they themselves will come out with the truth, and they will tell you all their secrets. So we will see more cards for your circumstance, Scorpios. Judgment in reverse, King of Swords. So whatever is the right thing, that is what is happening today. And you are someone who wishes to do things the right way. So whatever you did in your circumstance, whatever good things you did is coming back to you, or it may be whatever bad things are also coming back. So it may be destiny or karma playing its part today, and you are making a very important decision, Scorpios, maybe after hearing this person, after listening to them. So they have many things to tell you, and you know the truth about this person. Maybe you are making a very important decision today, a very honest choice today, whether you want to be here with this person or not. So we will see the final two cards for your outcome. Beautiful, Scorpio. So we have Four of Wands in reverse and King of Cups. So no matter what troubles you see in this love, Scorpios, circumstances are definitely changing. Everything is going to fall into place. You will see that with this person, you are going to have happiness, love, a beautiful understanding flowering between you both, and circumstances will be good. Maybe if you have people, friends telling you something, advising you about your relationship, you must listen to them. That is going to help you today. And Scorpios, even in your career, there are a lot of things happening. Maybe sometimes you may lack clarity and understanding, but you need to understand that if you are working, making honest efforts, your efforts will never be wasted. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time, Scorpios. Bye, guys.